Hello, today this video is gonna be on my iMac because I still have it, and I want to address the topic of the audio from my most favorite solutions which I'm using right now, and I will try to get that into this video so you have an understanding of how the different methods sound and how it compares to the audio you have from the iMac. This is right now using the microphones of the iMac and using the built-in camera. What I like to use when I'm moving around is the Rode Wireless Go. This is the receiver and this is the mic you can directly put on your shirt and then connect this one to your audio input. For this you have this TRRS cable inside to a TRRS cable, and this can basically go directly into the iMac, or you can put it into a device like MacBook, iMac. Bring it on. So this should be giving you an idea of how it sounds when I directly attach it to my clothes. So now I have a microphone being used directly with a wireless solution, and that should already make a difference. Sorry for the squeaking sound. The second option on this one is, because probably you don't want to clip it on it, I have this Lav mic, which I can quickly wire through myself. Don't want to fully place it now. You connect this one to the microphone, and now you are using the Rode Wireless Go with the Lav mic. This pouch was included in the Lav mic from Rode, also with the clip, etc. So you have to assemble it by yourself. And I have the same thing also in black. Lav mic black. Since I'm using mostly white shirts, I decided to get both to have an opportunity here. What I did is I used a marker pen. So you see, I just blackened out the Rode. Greetings to MKBHD. Unfortunately not fully matte black, but so I know that the black one is in here, so I don't have to think about it when I have it closed, especially in all inside. So the other option is, if I'm not using it this way, I might use the microphone with this one here. So I directly plug the Lav mic into this wonderful adapter, which is from TRRS, which is the direct connection from the Lav mic, into TRRS, which I can use on an iMac or on a MacBook Pro, etc. Then I can plug this one in here, and that's then directly goes with USB-C, for example in an iPad. When I use the iPad, and you see that on the form factor, then and also it's the resolution, it's a 1080 camera front facing, same as this one here. So then I was using this adapter. So I'm not a fan of plugging an adapter into an adapter into an adapter into an adapter, but it gave me a quick option to use the Lav mics. I have the same one, just with a lightning adapter, because that was basically a solution for the iPhone. When I do recordings on the iPhone, you see that the 4K quality, because also the front-facing camera is 4K. There I'm using this adapter with this one, and then the Lav mic directly plugged inside, or going to the Rode Wireless Go. Using the Rode Wireless Go, I use the TRRS to the TRRS cable. Links to all those cables in the description down below. And then I can still move a little more freely around, because the cable will go down and then somewhere, and you know, depending on how I move, I might just tear the cable and everything will fall over and tremble. So that's the solutions I'm using basically at the moment. Would I go back to this solution if I would start from scratch? Yeah, I would definitely start right away with it. The thing is, I had a conversation with my fiance. I have a Rode NTG 4 Plus. and I don't even remember when I used it the last time. Because the part here is I have the Rode NTG 4 Plus, then I have to take the XLR cable, it goes all the way around, and I have to space it out somewhere outside the view. I cannot change the views all the time, etc., etc. So for me, it was with a non-fixed setup, because I use my office for other things as well. It was so much struggle to get the audio right, because if I face this direction, it's pretty hally. If I look in the other direction, then it was not picking my voice right. Then I had to move something, I was falling over the stand. I mean, there's so many things involved. Plus all the stuff which I had in the video yesterday, where it comes to all the mistakes, SD card, batteries of the H5. I mean, so much hustle. And then later the small things of just putting stuff together. And if, like Kelly Fancher, he bought a fancy camera, the Sony FX3, and you put the video also up here, where he basically was thinking, just get audio and video combined right away without needing to merge it later. And I do understand his point, but I personally would say I go with this kind of solution, Lav Mic, whatever. And I have the D4, I have the Video Micro, and I have the V1. I mean, I don't want to use that. It's too much hustle for me. If that's a great solution for you, hey, bring it on. Get in contact with me. I want to get rid of some of the stuff. But if it's if you really want to start just creating something and using your phone, that's the solution. Lav Mic Adapter, or just get a cheaper Lav Mic than this one. This one was crazy expensive. I think it was like $50, $60. That's ridiculous. But it's Switzerland. Bear in mind. But if you want to get a cheaper Lav Mic, it would probably get a good sound. And there are so many $25 Lav Mics out there who make a great sound. But keep in mind, TRRS or TRRS. You see the rings on the bottom. This is TRRS. So you need this if you want to plug it directly into the device. And you need, again, those adapters. Oh no, that was the lightning adapter. Looks like this, but it was lightning. To use it with your iPhone, or if you have like an Android with a TRRS connector, normal microphone headset connector, then you can use it directly. And yeah, that's my take on the sound topics, what I'm using right now. And I hope that gave a little insight, because some people were asking me where the sound changed, etc. And the last microphone I'm using, I'm not having it here, but I can move, is the VideoMic Me-L. I made a video on this before, which I will link. And I think that's the masterpiece if you are someone who's using an iPhone, but it's also available for Android. It has a lightning connector here. Yeah. And this is available for Android also with a TRRS pin, and you just put it in your device. And the audio quality, you see it in my walk around videos. Listen into it. I'm walking basically on the street and holding my phone in my hand, and I'm always impressed about the audio quality. Hope that helped. If that helps on your decision, great. Leave a comment down below. And if you enjoyed this video, leave a like. And if you want to see more of this, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Bye.